Hi, Assalamualaikum and good morning. Today, I want to tell about the obesity among adults. Obesity means that you have too much body fat. It is usually based on your body mass index. It is called BMI. Which you can check your BMI using the BMI calculator. BMI compare your weight and your height. If your BMI is 25 to 29.9, you are overweight but not obesity. In this video, I and my friend will tell you about the obesity among adults. Obesity always happen to the adult people because of the lack of sleep. Obesity among family member, lifestyle, and lastly, diet reaching high calories. Obesity may affect to our body and our health. For example, obesity may increase our risk of stroke, heart disease, and high blood pressure, and lastly, diabetes.
Hello everyone. Today I want to share about the causes of obesity among adults. Okay, the first point is a lack of sleep. As you know, sleep is an important modulator of neuroendocrine function and glucose metabolism, and sleep loss has been shown to result in metabolic and endocrine alteration, including decreased glucose tolerance, decreased insulin sensitivity, increased evening concentration of cortisol, increased level of ghrelin, decreased level of leptin, and increased hunger and appetite. Recent epidemiological and laboratory evidence confirm previous findings of an association between sleep loss and increased risk of obesity. Okay. This means when you lack of sleep, you will feel hungry. Okay, when you feel hungry, you will get some comfort foods, and when you eat, you will take that comfort food in many or more, and then when you eat more than usual, this can make you turn to obesity. The effect of obesity among adults is diabetes. Diabetes and sleep problems often go in hand in hand. Diabetes can cause sleep loss, and there's evidence that not sleeping well can increase your risk of developing diabetes. High blood sugar is a red flag for sleep problems among people with diabetes for another reason. People who are tired will eat more because they want to get energy from somewhere. That can mean consuming sugar or other fruits that can spike blood sugar level. The connection between lack of sleep and diabetes. The body's reaction to sleep loss can resemble insulin resistance, a precursor to diabetes. Insulin's job is to help the body use glucose for energy. In insulin resistance, cell fails to use the hormone efficiently, resulting in high blood sugar. Diabetes occurs when the body does not produce enough insulin, or the cells do not properly use the insulin. When insulin is not doing its job, high blood sugar level builds in the body to the point where they can harm the eyes, kidneys, nerves, or heart.
Everyone, today I will share with all of you about one of the cause of obesity, which is diet reaching high calorie. As we all know, Malaysia is one of the country that have the highest obesity rate among adults in the world. After few research made by the expert, they conclude that one of the cause of the obesity among adults is because high calorie diet. Malaysia is known for its delicacies, despite its popularity. Actually, it also give a bad effect to the people because most of the food that popular and in Malaysia is actually contain high calorie. We can name nasi lemak, roti canai, nasi kandar, and even its dessert such as cendol. All of this food contain high calorie and fat that can make people gain their weight if it not take properly. And the thing that make us worry is the high calorie diet actually staple food in Malaysia. After that, obesity can give a fatal effect if it is not be controlled. One of the effect from obesity is stroke. Some people might not know how obesity can cause stroke, but just as smoking can increase the chance of having lung cancer, being overweight can greatly increase the chance of having stroke. Because this is because one of the major success of cause of obesity is the excessive amount of fat in the body. The excessive amount of fat in the body can cause the inflammation, and because the inflammation, poor blood flow and potentially blockage can occur, and this is two major cause of stroke. That's all. Thank you.
Obesity among family members is one cause of obesity. It starts to detect since their childhood. Family history and psychological all play a role in their childhood obesity. Adults whose parents or their family members are overweight or obese are more likely to follow suit. It can increase risk of becoming overweight themselves, but this can be linked to shared family behaviors such as eating and activity habits. Obesity can affect high blood pressure. Foods that contain many salts can increase blood pressure. Salt is mostly sodium and the substance that may cause your body pressure to increase. Other forms of sodium, like monosodium glutamate (MSG), also presents in food. When you eat too much salt, which contains sodium, your body holds extra water to dismiss the salts from your body. This may cause blood pressure to rise.
Okay guys, I want to share to you about the effect from heart diseases of obesity. Okay, weight gain also increase the risk of metabolic syndrome, a group of conditions that occur simultaneously, such as high blood pressure, low HDL cholesterol, high triglyceride, high blood sugar, and likewise circumference of excess fat around the waist. Okay, to make matters worse, high blood pressure caused by obesity irritates the plaque in the artery and causes the blood vessels to rupture and trigger a heart attack. Okay, and obesity increase the risk of atrial fibrillation, arrhythmia, or symptom of heart attack of heart rhythm, which can trigger blood clot formation and cause stroke, and heart failure and other heart diseases, according to the American Heart Association. In addition, obesity can cause heart enlargement, which can be due to untreated hypertension. Okay. Okay, hello. This video I want to share to you about the causes of heart disease. Okay, as we know, heart disease are very dangerous to our health because without a good heart, we cannot to go on of our life. So for causes of heart disease, while weight gain also increase the risk of metabolic syndrome. Okay, a group of conditions that occur simultaneously, such as high blood pressure, low HDL cholesterol, high triglyceride levels, high blood sugar, and large waist circumference of excess fat around the waist. And to make matters worse, high blood pressure caused by obesity irritates the plaque in the artery and causes the blood vessels to rupture and trigger a heart attack. Okay. Next, obesity increases the risk of atrial fibrillations, arrhythmia or symptom of heart attack or heart rhythms, which can trigger blood clot formation and cause stroke, heart failure, and other heart disease, according to the American Heart Association. And in addition, obesity can cause heart enlargement, which can be due to untreated hypertension. Okay. Obesity causes the heart to work harder. Overweight cause the heart to become stressed, especially during diastole or relaxation phases. Okay, this will cause our heart is a failure. So we must to take care our heart because we want to use it a longer time. Okay, thus losing weight helps prevent heart disease. Okay, thank you.
In conclusion, obesity in among other common problem in today. It is become increased if they are not take care of themselves. So from there, we need to do more exercise, take a variety of food, and choose a diet low fat, sugar, and sodium. So it can help people to prevent the obesity happen again.